Hi, welcome to Phoenix Auditing. This is Prabhu Selvaraj here, the co-founder of company Phoenix Auditing. Right. Okay, so I would request all of you guys to watch this video completely. We are going to give a lot of information about the new product. Right. So as you all aware that from today onwards, we started filing of income tax returns for all the people who are reaching us. So now we are trying to give a unique tech solution for all the Indian taxpayers. So what is this? So default, we all know that we have to file income tax. There's no slippage or we can't avoid, right? So what's happening? So everybody files income tax by every year. That is for the previous year, financial year, you'll be filing between now till next one and a half month, depending upon ITR 1 or 2 or 3, we will be keep filing. If it is ITR 1, the last date is maybe in a month or so, and if it is ITR 3, we have some extension because it's a business income. So when most of people who are trying to reach the chartered accountant or any company for filing of income tax for this financial year, the last financial year, the assessment year, the only request what we get from them is they will tell you, sir, give us your form 16, give us your bank statements, and give us your all expense details to us. So we all know that Form 16 is readily available. The bank statement also available. The biggest challenge what we every Indian face over here is the expense bills. Right? We all know that we have multiple sections in income tax and we can save tax by investing in multiple instruments. And for the business people, they can save tax on the expenses done on business. A lot of things comes which involves like utility bills, right? Utility bills, then medical bills, then insurance, right? And travel bills, tuition, right? The multiple sections are available where you can save tax. So the CA will ask you bills to provide for these sections to while filing the income tax to save the show as the investments and to save as the tax, right? So everybody, including me, we start searching for the bills. So whenever we get the bills in the last 1 year, we won't save it. We keep let me keep this bills here, some other place, wallet. So everywhere it get lost, and we will not be having any complete set of bills to file for a income tax and to save tax. So, being as a ITR 3 filing, being a part of stock market investment or trader, these bills are claimable as part of expenses, business expenses. So we can save tax on these expenses. It's allowed and legal, right? So again, if I take my consideration last 1 year from last March to this April to this 31st of March, I don't have so much of bills which I've spent actually. Now I'm running behind the different cupboards, bags, files to get the bills. So what we thought was we come up with a unique solution, which we named it as Phoenix Auditing Bot. It can be searched in the Telegram. We call it as Phoenix Auditing Bot. So what does this bot does to you? This bot will allow you to save all your bills on our server, secured server, with the date, the amount, and the section of the category of savings. So this can be downloaded for next year for your filing of income tax. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is just launch the bot, just launch the bot, select the category, take a picture of the bill. Example, you went for the outing today, you went for travel, you have ticket, flight tickets. Just take a photocopy of it, upload it. You put a petrol for your vehicle, just take a photocopy it, upload it. Just be it mobile bill, electricity bill, broadband bill, right? Internet bill. Just take a picture, upload it. So everything will be saved in a server, and you can retrieve it whenever you need it back for a filing purpose. The next year will be having a complete access to all your bills from day one for the entire financial year, and you can just download the data and give it to your auditor to file the income tax. It makes your life so simpler. Everybody having a smartphone, if most of people are having a Telegram application, just take a photocopy and submit it. It will be saved and stock Phoenix Auditing's secure server with full security. You can download it, you get the complete summary of the bills, the bot will go for multiple upgradation. But now the bot is fit to ready for use. You can start using bot from today. The charges for the entire EOS service, what you want to charge to give a service is 500 rupees for the entire year to upload unlimited bills. So this offer is available only for the first 1,000 customers. When 1,000 mark is reached, the fees will be revised, the charge will be revised. So all you have to do is launch the bot, make a payment, start uploading your bills. I will show the live demo of the how the bot looks, how the bot works. So you have to launch your Telegram, search for Phoenix Auditing Bot. Once you launch it, it'll ask you to start the service, start the service. So it gives you four options: bills, summary, my profile, and help. So click on upload bills. You'll be getting an option to make a payment. Click on that. It'll take you to a payment gateway. So make a payment of 500 rupees. Put in your complete details. Right, so it takes years to go to your debit card, credit card, net banking, or whatever mode of payment you want to make it, right? Just update your phone number and your email ID. So once you update these two things, it will ask you to select the mode of payment, card, internet banking, wallets, or whichever mode of payment you're comfortable, right? Just put your email ID for the future references. Then click on card or whatever payment method you want. We're just doing the me transaction just to show you how does it works. So you put your expiry and the name and CVV and make a payment. It'll give you success window. Once you've done it, go back to the bot. You'll get a message that it's received payment and service enabled. So you can use these different kinds of options to upload your bills. Click on medical, for example, right? Click on 2019, which are the year we are in, and select the month, which month bill you want to upload. For example, today is July, and select the day. So give an option, you select the date as 1st of July 2019 and put the bill amount. Once you enter the bill amount, it will give you an option, the details, what is the folder you want to upload the bills. Click on file, select the file option, click on upload. Don't add as a picture, upload as a file. It's reading the resolution with the high resolution, what a picture has been taken. Then once you upload the file, it gives you an option that success, it has been uploaded in the medical folder. We can repeat the process to any number of bills: medical insurance, travel, tuition, utility bill, rent, and others. And when you click on my profile, it will let you know to change the details. So if there's no first name, last name is there, mobile number is not there. You can update your mobile number, email ID, city, and last name, first name, there's a mismatch. Once you upload all those things, it will show you the profile, what you uploaded, and it will also show you the description. That means that the subscription is valid till 30th of June, right? It's 365 days. I just made a payment today. So next 365 days, my payment is valid. And it's pretty simple, right? So we have an option of summary. We are creating it some statistics for the summary as well, right? So the data will be in server. You can download your information whenever you want. So one place you can save all your income tax expenses, like expense bills to provide your income tax next year. So it makes your life so simpler. You don't have to run behind 1 year after 1 year where the bills are, where they kept it, where the soft copy, hard copy. So all problems will be sorted out in no time. So every bill can be uploaded. If you have any bill which does not come in this category, you can upload in others. It will be saved in the others folder. So every individual, once you launch this bot from your mobile number, it will be mapped a unique ID with your mobile number, which cannot be altered. So if you log in with one mobile, that the bot will create a unique ID for your mobile number, and this will be saved in our server with a unique folder. So for the next entire year, whenever you upload any kind of bills, it will go sit in that folder, which you can retrieve whenever you need it. Next year, auditing, our company will provide auditing services where we'll have all the details of your expense bills. The next, just provide Form 69 statements, will file your income tax in no time. This makes life so simpler. It saves you a lot of money by keeping all documents in right. So nobody is providing such kind of a unique service so far. So everybody says save your bills, give it after next year, but we're the first person to launch it completely automated. So take advantage of the service, be before 1,000 customers, get the offer for 500 rupees for the next 1 year to upload, the next 6 months to upload all your bills. So do reach us. Once you click on help, it will give you our auditing team. We'll also put our helpline number over here so you can reach us in case if you find any difficulties. That's all I had for the day. So hope this was a useful information. So please do spread this information to many people who would like to make their expense tracking in a right way. That's all I had for the day. I wish you guys all subscribe to this and start making use of this. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.